but it's really good. So I've teamed up with Zico to bring you this video, and they sent me this gigantic package full of goodies. I did open the top, but we're going to find out what is inside. I can't live my life right now like this, man. Oh, this is so cute. It says, hearts, minds, and coconuts are all better open. I love that. That is so sweet. First thing I'm pulling out here is 4 bottles of the coconut water. This looks like we have 2 different flavors here. We have the regular coconut water, and then we have chocolate flavored coconut water. We have a cute little tumbler with a straw, and it looks like there's a nail polish in here. Ooh, it's like the perfect color too. It's an OPI, yes. Don't think that I even own this color nail polish, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to wear it. Super excited to put this bad boy to use. There are 6 in here, so these will be good to take to the gym. Woo! Smash Mallows. Mallow. Oh my gosh, I can't figure out how I say it now. It feels so weird. It's a snackable marshmallow, and they're coconut pineapple. I love pineapple. Ooh, guys. Okay, so if any of you don't know, Zico is one of the sponsors of the Winter Olympics, so they sent me this adorable shirt that I'm about to put on my body, and a hat. I love it. Girl, we are ready. We are so ready to party right now. I look cute. I look cute right now. I gotta be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't normally like coconut water. The other coconut waters that I've tried, I haven't liked. So, praying for a miracle right now that this is good. Which is sad because there are so many benefits of drinking coconut water as opposed to just drinking plain water, because coconut water has so many of the essential vitamins and nutrients that we need on a daily basis that water cannot give you. And the fact that this is an all-natural product that doesn't have any added sugars and things to it, that is something that is so important to me, especially as a person who tries to cut out all and any added sugars in my diet. It's a very difficult thing. It's been a very long road to get here, but my body feels the difference, and so it's very important for me to find things that work for me. So I'm gonna try these marshmallows. Serving size is 4 marshmallows, 80 calories, 0 fat, 19 carb, and 1 gram of protein. This one does have sugar in it, but it is organic cane sugar. It looks like these are all natural ingredients. These are good, guys. I always dance when I'm eating things that I'm excited about. I don't know what it is. Mike always says that I'm like basically wagging my tail like a dog because I'm so excited. Who am I right now? I don't even like coconut, and these are amazing. Maybe I like coconut now. Can't believe it. I gotta remember to hide these later so Mike doesn't steal them. Okay. What's next? It's time to try these out. Serving size is 1 bottle. It has 90 calories, 22 grams of carbs. 22 grams of carbs. That's all you get in this. What about this one? Okay, and then in the chocolate one has 80% coconut water. This one's 100%. 80%, 100, 80. Good. We good? Good. 140 calories, 30 grams of carbs. And that's it. There's no added sugar or artificial flavors. It says it has as much potassium as a banana, which is great. Potassium is so essential for your body, and it just makes you feel so much better. My thing lately has been eating 2 bananas a day, and this one has as much as 1 banana, so that's good. That's good, okay. It has 5 different electrolytes in it, and those are potassium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, and phosphorus. So potassium, magnesium, and sodium are very, very important electrolytes to have balanced within your body. What up, homie? Why you gotta interrupt me like that? This is also non-GMO and gluten-free. Okay, I'm back. First things first, plain one. Let's give her a good old snifferooski. Smells pretty good, so I'm just gonna get a little taste. It's not bad. I feel like the taste of this is very crisp and refreshing, and not really what I expected. It's very crisp and refreshing, especially when cold, so I'm really glad that I added some ice cubes here. I feel like this would be a good switch up from just plain old water, and then that way I'm also getting all my electrolytes without any added sugars or weird chemicals like sucralose and things like that, like weird fake sugars that are in things like vitamin water and Powerade. They all have, even the ones that say 0 sugars added, they have like the really bad sugars for you. So don't drink those. Okay? Okay, let's try the chocolate one. This makes me nervous. Like, where'd you get a chocolate coconut from? Just kidding. Oh my. Alright, let's see. Okay. Ooh, that's good. I didn't think I would like this one. I thought that anything like weird, like chocolate water, like how can that be good? But it's really good. Guys, I'm not even kidding you. This is so good. I did not think I was gonna like it. I did not think I was gonna like either one because I don't normally like coconut water, and I like both of them. So I'm like very proud of myself because I feel like my taste buds are a little more refined now that I do like it. And also, I'm really excited to take this with me to the gym tonight when we go work out. I have to wait for Mike to get out of work, and then we're gonna go hit it hard, hit leg day, and be hydrated. Smash mallow, marshmallow, smash mallow. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't remember if I told you guys what different flavors they have, because they have 4, but I only have 2 here, so I can't tell you what the other ones taste like, but I can tell you what they are. And now, after liking these 2, your girl wants to order the rest. I wonder if I can get this at the store. What flavors do we got? Okay, we have watermelon raspberry. That sounds good. And then we also have pineapple. I bet it tastes like the marshmallows. I bet it's friggin' awesome. Oops. Next time I go to Target, I am definitely picking up the other 2 flavors because I really want to know how they taste, and I'm really excited about them. So if you guys want to see what my thoughts are on those other flavors, I will be posting that to my Instagram story. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, please, I would love it so much if you did. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this fun little video today. I definitely enjoyed it. I'm such a baby when it comes to trying new things, so I was very nervous about trying this. I don't like to try new things or try things that I don't think that I will like. It took me 18 years to try Chinese food. I know. I hope that you guys learned something interesting about coconut water today and are interested in trying it for yourselves if you haven't already. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload. My channel here is all about health and wellness and beauty and whatever else I seem to get myself into. I would love to have you guys along for the ride. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will catch ya later.